are on a lovely afternoon. No, wait! Okay.
Because you need to watch them eat it.
Mickey is having poo problems, so Trudy is also getting pumpkin. Pumpkin.
Are you
Pumpkin, yeah, pumpkin. So, Trudy.
Wait, you gotta watch Turdy again. Watch Turdy eat it. Mickey,
Trudy.
stop.
Trudy's really hungry. Mickey's gentle.
Mickey knows how to look out for food.
Yeah, Trudy.
And then watch Turdy. And then in comparison.
Trudy on the other hand.
Turdy's got pumpkin on his nose.
Bubby. Bubby, it's all over your nose, Bubby. You're in a hot mess. And it's on your mouth. Mickey, you're gentle. Oh, jeez.
I don't think that would make a difference for
Okay.
either dog. Watch. I don't think it's gonna stop him.
Oh, Turdy, you're so special.
I tried.
Did he get it off his nose? Oh, okay.
Okay.
Oh, Turdy, gentle.
Okay, Turdy. Not your turn. Wait. Okay, I'm making a mess. Okay. We're done. We're done, boys. Well, Mickey got it on your face.
Mickey.
Mickey's got it on his face.
It's between his eyes.
Mickey, I don't know how to help you.
Mickey.
Mickey?
Lick it off, brother, Turdy.
Yeah, here, Turdy. Here, Turdy. Turdy.
Wait, look. Right here. Hey, look. Right here. Oh, where'd it go?
Got it on your hand. Here, come on, boys. Okay, we're done. No more.
Okay, no more.